So, like previously said, you guys should have watched my overall bias, because overall then you would have already known what I've been waiting for. You already know I'm institutionally bearish for the DXY, meaning I'm waiting for us reaching this original consolidation down in here. And as you can see right here, we've actually left soon to leave, at least, this reconsolidation, which we have been in for 2 years, which is what I'm anticipating next happening. Alright, I'm anticipating us delivering, continuing delivering to this original consolidation right here, leaving this reconsolidation which we have been trading in for around 2 years. You can see this is literally the most amount of downwards momentum in 2 years in 1 month, as you can see, which is crazy. Like, look at this down candle for this month. It's crazy, this down candle, as you see right here. All right, leaving this reconsolidation. So I expect next month to be more or less, because you can see the momentum down, right? I expect us to be more or less equally as bearish. Alright? However, I expect us to have a much higher up wick. And where do I think that wick will go? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna talk about today. Alright? That's exactly what I'm gonna talk about today. Alright? So we have the weekly. Let's go into the weekly time frame. So overall, as y'all can see, this area, alright, with a lot of momentum. Market is reaching for this sell side. Market is reaching for this sell side, like I've explained in the video. Alright, I'm giving you all this free information, alright? You should be easy. You already should know this, alright? So don't sit on your hands. Alright? We're reaching for this sell side. We're reaching for this sell side. We have probably taken out this sell side already. That's what I'm watching for. However, we can't just, long any asset against the DXY right here, because we need to wait for it to be in a premium. Alright, that's it. That's exactly what I've been waiting for. We have not been in a premium this week. That's why I've not traded. Simple as that, right? That explains every single thing. Alright? Because as you all know, alright, premium right now, we have just moved down the premium. That's exactly what I explained as the second scenario, right? Maybe the DXY, maybe the IPD I want to move down the premium. How do we do that? We pretty much reach for other sell side liquidity points. Alright? So, like I explained, we have now moved it down. Where do I think we'll reach for? I think we're gonna reach for the next PD array, which is overall this rejection block right there. So we're gonna do like this, we're gonna do like this. Simple as that. Here's the range high. Here's pretty much what I think to be the range low. This level right here. Alright, so I think after we've taken the sell side here, hit the rejection block right here of this, what I call in the market bank range, we will overall go down lower. Alright, and after that we will overall reprice into a premium, and the first premium PD array. Alright, where's the first premium PD array? Like I explained here, the market has, precisely like I said in the weekly overall buys call, reprice this into a premium. What's this? That's a breaker block on a daily and 4-hour time frame. And what's this for value gap? Yeah, now it's the first PD array in an overall. Yeah, it's the first PD array on a higher time frame in a premium, right? Simple as that. And behind it we have a break block, meaning this whole shit is an unicorn. However, we also have an order block right here on a higher time frame, overlapping with this fair value gap. That creates overall price action model number 11, which I'm watching happening. As y'all can see here, we also have this weekly inverse fair value gap, as y'all know. And what I think, alright, this will be a measurement of strength, alright. So I will use this weekly inverse fair value gap as a measurement of strength, alright. How will I use that weekly inverse fair value gap as a measurement of strength? Yeah, I'll do that in two ways, alright. I'll watch the DXY and see if it wants to go up higher, reach for maybe higher than a constant encroachment, and look actually if we take out a certain time-based liquidity point, because as you all know, externals are bearish now, meaning STA is going to be bearish. So I'm watching overall also repricing lower, repricing here. I'm going to use this as a measurement of strength. I'm going to look for if we react of a PDA or of a deviation of the 75% mark deviation or the 100% mark deviation. If not, I'm gonna watch a sudden movement upwards, sudden movement price movement upwards, and then I'm gonna watch it fall. All right, simple as that. All right, simple as that. And why it's gonna be a fast sudden upwards movement into this unicorn or price action model number 11 is simple, because we have this measurement of strength. All right, you can measure the mitigation between this and this. How do you measure mitigation? Yeah, that's up to you guys to find out. That's something you can do as well, to find the exact PD array or exact deviation level, whatever you guys could possibly enter in. Alright, but that's up to you. That's not up to me to tell you how to do that. Or that's up to ICT, man. That's not up to me. What are you referring saying measuring mitigation? Yeah, that's something which you can do. And that's something which can give you a precise market level. Now this is gonna be a quick call, alright? I'm not trader this week. I'm not gonna overall. I'll talk about gold if you guys want about talk about it, right? I've not looked at the gold market for like 2 months now, because I don't trade gold. Simple as that. But as y'all know, I'm watching this rejection block now here. We've taken this buy side, right? And we're moving up here, so I'm gonna place this as the range low. You can place it here and even here, possibly work as well. However, why am I placing it here or even here is simple, right? All of these gives a premium first premium PD array. All of this overall gives the same premium PD array, all right, and it gives this, all right. And what does this little candle right here, this downwards candle in this upwards range? That's a propulsion block, all right. However, that propulsion block is also overlapping with this little breaker block, because you have a high and low and high creates breaker right there. So I have a breaker overlapping with this propulsion block. That's why I'm watching overall this first premium shit in this first premium breaker block. Alright, that's what I'm watching. I'm watching this little zone right here, and in this zone, because we have the time-based query right here in the form of last week's low, simple as that, I'm watching reversal somewhere in between here, if now the DXY also shows a tendency of a reversal. Alright, simple as that. Alright, I'll answer questions later. I see someone asking about futures. I can maybe answer that. Anyways, that's simply it, right? We just reprice higher, so overall we can get even more things, PD arrays in a discount, so we can reach down lower for that, take out sell side liquidity, and overall reprice even, taking out buy side liquidity after that. Simple, alright? Anyways, guys, now I